Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here let's localize this reset option and tap on either mobile networks settings or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It depends which one you'd like to reset. Usually those two options are combined together. However, in this device you can see that they decided to divide them. So basically the rule for them is the same. Simply tap on it and tap on reset settings. Tap on reset settings again, and as you can see, we've got this information, and obviously the same situation with reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on reset and it will be done. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.